Welcome back to the 2-Hour News Show. We're going to take you to the deep forest of East Kalimantan, where in recent years the deforestation or even conversion to agroforestry has been happening. But despite the location conservation areas of the protected forest in Wehea, which measures 38,000 hectares, remains preserved as it is patrolled by rangers from local indigenous communities.
The Wehea Protected Forest is an area of tropical rainforest located at Muara Wahai Subdistrict in East Kutai Regency, East Kalimantan. The forest is located outside conservation areas and measures 38,000 hectares. The indigenous Dayak Wehea community has designed the area as a customary forest since 2024. The decision was made as forest exploitation reached a massive scale. Aside from designating the indigenous forest, the Dayak Wehea tribe also formed a ranger community called Petkuq Mehuey, composed of local youth and indigenous figures who volunteer and serve the forest. The Petkuq Mehuey are called to be dedicated and courageous as they carry various responsibilities. Additionally, each squad must conduct routine patrols ranging from 1 to 3 months to combat illegal logging, poaching, and gold panning. The Petkuq Mehuey often faces obstacles, such as encountering wildlife or armed poachers while only carrying traditional weapons such as the mandau.
Yang paling sulit itu kalau ketemu seperti mereka trekking jalur pada malam hari ya, tiba-tiba ketemu macan dahan gitu. Nah itu mereka lari kan, lalu ketemu pemburu satwa liar itu kadang-kadang mereka datang membawa kaliber, sementara PM hanya membawa sebilah mandau kan, itu tidak bisa. Jadi sehingga itu yang kadang-kadang membuat kami khawatir juga, karena mereka datang itu bisa 6 orang gitu. Alasan mereka kan berburu sayur, tetapi yang dibunuh kan satwa juga, kita jaga itu.
For the Dayak Wehea, the forest is a sacred part of daily life. As such, violations like illegal logging is deemed as betrayal of traditional values. Furthermore, those who violate the rules will be punished by a local council led by a traditional figure. They can face traditional sanctions, including monetary fines or payments in the form of livestock. The council will adjust the amount and the type of punishment in accordance to the damage done by offenders.
Denda ya, kita denda, dan seperti yang dilakukan beberapa waktu ini, hasil yang mereka ambil itu kita sita, dan kalau mereka tidak dihukum tetapi ya hasil mereka itu diambil, disita seperti itu. Modelnya seperti gaharu yang mereka ambil itu kita sita, yang waktu dulu itu sekitar 16 kilo.
However, the Dayak Wehea is not alone in the forest preservation efforts, as they also receive guidance from the Nusantara Nature Conservation Foundation.
Bagaimana membangun satu model yang melibatkan masyarakat adat. Dan hutan lindung Wehea sejak awal kondisinya cukup bagus, tanpa ada kegiatan-kegiatan illegal logging, dan itu sebetulnya menjadi model bagi Indonesia. Dan juga masyarakat Wehea, yang suku Dayak Wehea yang cukup kecil penduduknya, dia membuat lokal untuk nasional dan untuk dunia sebetulnya.
The Wehea Protected Forest is home to a rich variety of plants and animals. Aside from plants with high economic value, the area is also home to 61 species of mammals, 114 species of birds, 12 species of rodents, and 9 species of primates. The plant and animal diversity in the forest shows the importance of the Wehea Protected Forest as a biodiversity habitat. CDD contributors reporting from East Kutai, East Kalimantan.